Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent government vacancies notification and whatever the vacancies I am going to show you and the different designations here in this notification. Any graduate can apply for this one, even though if you are a fresher, no problem, guys. And you may apply from all over the India, any state you can apply for this one. Why? Because it is a central government recruitment notification. And here the job position designations as well as the pay scales I mentioned here in this thumbnail. And before going into the main content of this video, please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the this type of job vacancies. I mean, government job vacancies in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos or the notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different designations or the about this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a notification what I want to show you all of you guys. That is National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences, okay, New Delhi, and this notification came on 1/6/2021. And here the important dates you may check down. The crucial date for determining the eligibility, 14th August 2021, and the opening date for submission of online application, 15th July 2021, and the last date for submission of online application form is 14th August 2021. So still 5 more days is there, so please hurry up, guys. And the date of computer based entrance examination is 20th/9/2021. Okay, so these are the important dates, and right now the online application is open until 14th August 2021. So please hurry up as early as possible, guys. And coming to the details of vacancies, here you may check down the name of the post, senior assistant. The pay matrix level 7 you will get. Level 7 means as I indicated in the thumbnail. Okay, so that much of amount you will get. And the total number of posts 8 are there. And the eligibility conditions, age limit below 27 years. And here the government of, the age relaxation as per the government of India is applicable. That means OBC 3 years and SC ST 5 years. Okay, all these things are there in this PDF itself. I will show you guys. And coming to the educational qualifications, degree from the recognized board or university, and you have to qualify the examinations whatever it is conducting by the this board. Okay, NBE, that is National Board of Examinations. Okay, so right now the written test as well as the interview, all these things will be conducted later. Okay, that means the essential educational qualification is the degree, and the latter you have to, after applying, you have to clear the qualifying examination that is going to be conducted by the NBE. Fine. And next one, junior assistant level 2 category, total 30 number of vacancies are there, and below 27 years, and educational qualification, passed senior secondary examination from recognized board or university recognized by the central or state government or UT administration or education authority, and proficiency in use of computers and the basic software package such as Windows, network operating system, LAN architecture, and to qualify the examination prescribed by the NBE. Okay, and next, junior accountant level 4, total 4 vacancies are there. Age limit is below 27 years, and the educational qualifications are bachelor's degree with maths or statistics or a degree in commerce from a recognized university, and to qualify the examination as per the prescribed by the NBE. Fine. So these are the details, guys. That means whatever the positions I mentioned here for the senior accountant as well as a junior assistant. That means junior assistant means if you are having the degree and at the same time you are having the senior secondary passed examination, right? That is 10th or 10+2. Okay, so if you're having the little bit proficiency with the computers, Windows and operating system, then you can apply for the junior assistant also, guys. Okay, fine. So these are the details about the vacancies as well as the pay scales and the educational qualifications. Okay, all these things I mentioned. And coming to the which pay scale, how much amount you will get, that I already mentioned in the thumbnail. So by searching in the Google, I just kept those figures, guys. So you may check down the number of vacancies are divided as per the caste category in this table. So senior assistant unreserved 3 and junior assistant unreserved 5 and junior accountant unreserved 2 vacancies are there. And essential education qualifications, as I already mentioned there in the above table, and age limitations. So 18 years and must not have attained the age more than 27 years. But of course, the age relaxation is providable based upon the different Government of India rules and regulations. So for SC, ST 5 years and OBC 3 years, PWD 10 years, PWD OBC 13 years, PWD SC or ST 15 years, and ex-servicemen ESM 3 years, and so few more age relaxations are also given here. So you may check down. And coming to the selection procedure, 2 stages are there. The stage 1 is examination CBT, 200 questions with 200 marks, and the time is 180 minutes. Okay, and there will be negative marking also, guys. So negative marking of 0.25 for each and every wrong answer. And the junior assistant, the level paper is 10 plus 2, and the senior assistant graduate level common paper, and the junior accountant also graduate level common paper. And the stage 2 is the computer knowledge or the skill test, shall be of 100 marks, and the time duration is 75 minutes. Candidate shall be provided text in English of approximately 500 words, which they shall be required to reproduce on the computer in the same format within 15 minutes. Okay. So keep on practicing by now itself, guys, typing the 500 words within 15 minutes. Okay, so these are all the things. And coming to the stage 1 in the written examination, so whatever the topics, those are given here, and the no interview shall be held for the selection. That means the selection will be purely based upon the test itself. There is no interview. Okay. And the general intelligence and reasoning 50 questions. Okay. And general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and the English comprehension. So total 200. Fine. And if you want to attempt the mock test, then here the link is also provided. So you may check out this link, guys. And the duration of the test is 180 minutes. Okay. And the final merit list. See, guys, it is a link. Yeah. National Board of Examination. So it is a link, guys. So just click on the sign in, and then you will be directed to the mock test, and you can understand that which type of questions, what is the depth of the questions you are going to get. Okay, all these things you can understand from this one. So here itself, within 1 minute, just we will see. Okay, so how we are going to get here. Please remember, guys, the negative markings are also there. So I'm ready to begin. Click on that. I'm ready to begin, and then the question paper. Okay, you will be getting here. So the question paper is uploading, guys. It is taking a little bit time. So in this meanwhile, we will finish the remaining part of this notification. Fine. So I hope all of you understand that what are the educational qualifications and what are the different positions are there, and few important instructions are also given here. Okay, so you please check down, guys. And coming to the examination fee, unreserved or OBC 1500 rupees plus 18% of GST, and for SC, ST, PWD women nil. Okay, that is no fee. And the date, time, and venue of examination will be updated in the official website itself. Okay, so these are all the remaining instructions they're given here. Okay, so please follow up, guys. And the application form you will get in the official website itself. Okay, only through online only you have to apply, guys. Other than the online mode, the applications are not accepted. Fine. So total these are the points, and now we will check the mock test. Yeah. So may check down. So it is a way of questions you are going to get, guys. Okay. So these are all regarding the quants, reasonings, and aptitude. Fine. So here the interview is not there. If you once cleared this written test, okay, then you will be selected. I mean, clear this written test means you must be there in the top as per the rules and regulations. So if you once done with this one, then you are getting selected. Okay. Okay, guys. So finally, these are the points that I want to mention, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of vacancies. Okay, and to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows from Unacademy side. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTI UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.